Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
For the next 11 days, we'll be going on a campervan tour around the South Island of New Zealand, and we are so excited to take you guys along with us. We're both a bit nervous about driving this massive campervan, as you can see. We'll take you guys on a proper tour later on.
We will.
But we're also very, very excited, so let's go!
Welcome to our very first travel series, where we campervan around part of the South Island of our beautiful home, Aotearoa, also known as New Zealand.
We are going to show you some of the most stunning sights, delicious foods, and a glimpse of what van life might be like.
So stay tuned, because this series is going to be an adventure you do not want to miss.
So guys, we picked up this camper van, which we have yet to name, earlier today in Christchurch, and we are heading out west of the South Island. We don't really know where we're going to be staying for the night, as we're going to be freedom camping, which means we'll be staying somewhere random for free, not in like a paid holiday park kind of place. But we're going to go with the flow and see how that goes.
So we are currently just debating what to call the camper van. It kind of does look like an older man, an older gentleman. So we wanted a male name. What name are we thinking of, Joel?
We've got Birdie, we have Bart, Bobby. That's all I've got really. Comment below if you've got any ideas.
But they can't give us a name.
No, I know. We have finally arrived to our very first campsite. It's basically a parking lot by a cafe in this random, really small town called Kumara.
And it kind of feels like 10 o'clock at night, even though it's only like 6:30.
So guys, I don't know why, but I'm not even cooking or cutting any onions or garlic, but I am crying here. And Becca seems to be really fine. I don't know why I'm crying. It's just so uncomfortable. I need to get out. Excuse me.
Joel, my eyes are sore as well. I'm just not being a baby about it.
Excuse me. This is uncontrollable tears. I need to go out. Alright, bye.
So, what's it like cooking in a camper van?
I thought it was going to be harder than it is, but it's actually working out really, really fast.
We're definitely doing the van life.
Like long term?
Yeah, van life long term.
Maybe give me a few more days to decide whether this is something that we can do.
Yep.
You're sold? Just because I'm cooking for you. You already been crying, Joel, and it hasn't even been like hour 1 yet.
That's
Blame it on the garlic, but we all know.
Okay guys, we're just gonna eat now and probably chill out for the rest of the evening and probably have an early night because we're pretty tired. It's been a long day.
I am so exhausted today. I don't know why. We've just travelled.
It's the driving and the rain and the packing and the unpacking. That's probably what it is.
Probably.
Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.
Good morning.
This is our second day of our campervan tour, if you like.
I do have one, I don't know, we've had one campervan drama. So basically, we both had showers last night. I don't know, it was a little bit tricky to try and get the hot water to work.
Yeah.
Except from when we finally did, we realised that it's not draining.
Yeah, and so our shower is basically flooded at the moment. So we've given the campervan company a call, and they have directed us to a mechanic that is sort of half an hour away.
Yeah.
So we'll pop by soon, right now actually, and hopefully this gets fixed and then we can go on a hike. So this was our Freedom campsite last night. It's basically a car park for this honey centre on my left over here. And you might be able to hear all the cars because it is literally in front of a main road right over here. So we are finally here at the mechanic and they are trying to fix this drainage problems. Hopefully it gets fixed soon. So we managed to get the van fixed. Turns out the grey water tank wasn't emptied when we collected the van. Anyways, we eventually got back on the road to Franz Josef Glacier. but our journey there was a bit more dramatic than we anticipated. Right guys, this is pretty scary. Like, it is really, really windy outside, and every now and then I feel like we are being bumped towards the right side of the van. It feels like we're gonna fall over, like right now. Like right now. It's so windy. Not even going that fast.
How fast are you going right now?
60. I was 70 just before.
And it's like 100. Oh my gosh. Yeah, maybe let's go even slower. If anybody wants to pass us, they can pass us. The wind is really scary. It seems to have calmed down a little bit here. I feel like we're not directly onto it. We've just turned the corner. So hopefully that's the worst of it, because it's not really fun to drive in, to be honest. We have just got to Franz Josef Glacier. We are standing in our camper van, and seriously, it is so windy. Oh my gosh, it's like swaying so badly.
It feels like we're going to topple over. But we're heading out to go for a walk right now. A 30-minute walk. It's a pretty short walk, but it's one out of the 3 apparently that allows us to see the glaciers. The other 2 are significantly longer and apparently are not good for today.
I'm so excited. I've never seen a glacier before.
So hopefully it's going to be a worthwhile 30-minute walk.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Franz Josef Glacier is a 12-kilometre long glacier located on the west coast of New Zealand's South Island. It descends from the Southern Alps to less than 300 metres above sea level.
You can experience a glacier via a guided hike, helicopter or scenic flight, but these options are pretty expensive. So if you're on a budget like us, there are a few hikes you can do that give you the opportunity to see part of the glacier, just like the one that we're on right now.
Oh my gosh, it's so windy, but it's so beautiful!
Look at those glaciers behind us, guys. It looks amazing. It's really, really windy, so we should probably go before the camera flies away. Alright, bye! Hey guys, hope you enjoyed our very first episode of this series. We had heaps of fun the last 2 days. It's been a steep learning curve, but look where we are right now. We are still in Franz Josef, and look how beautiful those mountains are.
It's absolutely stunning.
It's sunset, the lighting looks great, the mountains look great. I think we look quite good too on the camera.
Thanks.
Yeah, but it hasn't gone to plan.
It really hasn't. We didn't get to fit as much as we wanted into this video. But that's kind of what travel is. It's about having those hiccups. It's about, you know, going with the flow with things a little bit and embracing whatever you get to see and do.
And having a shower that doesn't drain out the water.
It's part of it. If you haven't already, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate that. And also, please comment. What is your favorite destination that you love to go to, or the favorite thing that you've seen in your country? Tell us.
Or if you would ever do this whole hashtag van life thing. We've only done it for like 2 days now, but we are liking it so far.
Did you really just hashtag that?
Yes, I did. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.
Bye. Join us next week as we take you on a van tour, and where we also face a few more van issues.
So the toilet is leaking into the shower.